Hey everybody, thanks for joining us. Jeff from Hartville Hardware Power Equipment. Today we're going to be going over the 54D AutoConnect deck. We're going to be using the 1025R, and let's hop into it.
So first, we're going to unlock each four of the gauge wheels by flipping the latches. Next, you're going to turn your dials to the drive over position. This is the lowest position the mowing deck goes. Now, using the 3-point hitch, you're going to lower your deck, making sure it is on a smooth, flat surface. Next, you're going to flip the latch located underneath the tractor to make it so you can drive out of the deck. Making sure in 4-wheel drive and low gear, we're going to drive over the drive over ramps. Now the deck is all the way off, you're ready to do loader work or whatever jobs come your way next. Hooking up the deck is just as simple. We're going to drive into the deck, still making sure we're in 4-wheel drive and low gear. We're going to drive back over the ramps. There is a guide bar located on the left side of the deck to make sure you're lined up correctly and to make sure the PTO will click in place correctly. Once you get all the way over the deck, you're going to keep driving forward, making sure that PTO clicks in place. You should be able to hear a click from the tractor seat. Once you hear this click, you can start to raise the deck and you're ready to mow again. All that's left to do is to lock the gauge wheels, and then you can start your mowing.
Thanks for sticking around and taking the time to learn about the 54D AutoConnect deck with me. Again, we're just going to reiterate some points here. It is a true drive-over deck. The biggest thing about this is the AutoConnect. You're not going to be curling up underneath that tractor to hook up a PTO, unhook a PTO, flip that lever underneath the tractor, drive right out of it, and your deck's off. Jeff from Hartville Hardware Power Equipment. If you got any videos in the future you want us to go over, leave a comment below. Thank you.